This amazing fish dish comes from a state in India that has 66% vegetarians. I'm talking about Amritsari fish. Boneless fillets of river fish marinated in spices and then mixed into a batter made from chickpea flour and rice flour. Fried not once but twice. It's crispy, succulent and flavorful, an absolute winner. Horns up and welcome to Meet India, my series where I showcase the best meat and seafood from India, one state at a time. Today we're going to the city of Amritsar in the state of Punjab to make an extremely famous dish of batter-coated fish called Amritsari fish. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is prep the fish, and I've got a fillet of sole fish here which I'm going to cut at an angle and cut into small bite-sized pieces. Now Amritsari fish is always made with river fish or freshwater fish and not with saltwater fish. However, if you don't have access to freshwater fish, use any nice white flesh fish for this recipe. Once the fish is prepped, it's time to marinate it. To marinate the fish, I will start by adding half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of hing, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of mustard oil, and the juice of half a lime. And then give it all a good mix and a massage while you're at it. A nice deep tissue massage for that fish. Now let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. To make the batter, we start with some besan, which is chickpea flour. To that, I add some rice flour, some ajwain, which is carom seeds, Kashmiri red chili powder, some yogurt, some mustard oil, and then some water, and give it all a good mix. Add a little more water till you get a nice thick batter with a smooth consistency. It should look a bit like this. Then in goes the fish, and once again give it a nice massage, and let's get ready to fry it now. Heat up your oil, and once it's hot, let's fry that fish. Now these are small pieces of fish and we are going to fry them twice. So this first fry will take no more than 60 seconds, after which you remove them from the hot oil. Fry your fish in batches so that you don't crowd the pan. Anyway, once you've fried the fish, it's now time for that second fry, which will crisp it up even more and give it that nice amber color. And that's it, the fish is fried and ready. Now plate it up and then finish with a sprinkling of chaat masala and some fresh coriander. And our Amritsari fish is done and ready. And of course, I've got to give you that front camera shot, and I'm going to bite into the fish and it's cooked to absolute perfection. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time for the official taste test. Alright folks, it's time to taste our Amritsari fish, and look who's joining me. It's my beautiful wife, Dipti. Dig in. Grab a piece of fish.
Oh, I got a nice big piece. Okay, half.
Half? Okay. I guess I can eat the other half. And you can put a little onion on it. You can probably dip it in some chutney if you have any. There's a recipe for green chutney on my channel. Check it out. I'll link it somewhere above on the I button. But let's dig in.
So full disclaimer, I actually tasted this off camera earlier, but it was so effing good. I had to come back and tell you how good it is. It is unbelievable. I don't like fish. I'm not a fan of ajwain, which is caraway, but this is delicious.
Yeah, so she actually said she's not going to taste on camera. Then she ate a few pieces and she said, yes, I'm going to show up on camera. And of course, the chaat masala just kicks it up a notch and makes it like absolutely delicious and incredible.
Like, the batter is so incredibly flavorful and the fish is so beautifully cooked and just flakes off. Oof.
Thank you.
And I don't even like fish. Well, I could eat this every day.
Awesome. So I guess this gets the horns up from Dipti. And if you
can't give you the horns up because I'm busy eating.
Okay. So she's going to go and enjoy the rest of this fish, and I guess I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. And a big thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. You are all awesome. Thank you so much.